Hey there! Welcome to today's workout session. If you've been thinking about building muscle but don't have access to any equipment, don't worry. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to build muscle at home. Without needing any weights or fancy machines, all you need is your body and a little space. Let's get started. First up, we have push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building muscle, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Here's how you do it. Start by placing your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups. If you're more advanced, try adding variations like diamond push-ups or decline push-ups to make it even more challenging. Next, let's move on to squats. Squats are amazing for building strength in your legs, glutes, and even your core. Here's how you do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your chest up. Push your hips back, bending your knees to lower your body down as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you can without rounding your back, then push through your heels to stand back up. If you want to take it up a notch, try jump squats. This will add some explosive power to your legs while also getting your heart rate up. Make sure to land softly to avoid stressing your knees. Now, let's target that core with a plank. A strong core is essential for overall strength and stability. Here's how to do it. Start by placing your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position. Keep breathing and aim to hold the plank for at least 30 seconds to start. For an extra challenge, you can try side planks to target your obliques. Make sure your body stays in a straight line and hold for as long as you can. Lunges are another great exercise for your legs and glutes. Here's how to do them correctly. Stand up tall, then take a big step forward with one leg. Lower your body until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position, then switch legs. For a more advanced version, try jumping lunges. This adds a cardio element while also building muscle. Keep your balance and land softly with each jump. Glute bridges are a great way to work your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Let's take a look at how to do them. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down with control and repeat. If you want to make it harder, try single-leg glute bridges. This will really challenge your balance and work your glutes even harder. For toning your arms, tricep dips are a fantastic option. You don't need a dip bar, just a stable surface like a chair or a bench. Sit on the edge of a chair, hands placed next to your hips. Slide your hips forward and bend your elbows to lower your body. Then push through your palms to lift yourself back up. Keep your elbows pointing straight behind you. You can make this harder by extending one leg or adding more reps. The more you push yourself, the stronger your arms will get. Finally, let's finish off with burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that helps build endurance, strength, and power. Here's how to do them. Start standing tall. Drop into a squat position, place your hands on the floor, and jump your feet back into a plank. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands and explode up into a jump. Land softly and repeat. If the full burpee is too challenging, you can modify it by skipping the push-up or jumping step, just stepping back and forward instead. Remember, consistency is key. To build muscle at home, aim to do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Start with a few sets of each exercise, and as you get stronger, you can increase the sets and reps. The most important thing is to stay committed and keep challenging yourself. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's looking to build muscle at home. Until next time, keep working hard and stay strong.